Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how to sell Baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet. So in order to sell Baby Dogecoin on Trust Wallet, you just have to follow these simple steps. First thing, you have to go and log in into your Trust Wallet account. When you're logged into your account, that is going to take you to the home page. So right on this page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and select the buy button. But if you are unable to find the Baby Dogecoin, then you have to first of all add. So press the icon located in the top right hand side. On this page, go ahead and select or type in Baby Dogecoin and toggle the button for this. When you've actually done that, you could go ahead and press it on, and on this page you could go ahead and select buy. When you press on the buy button, next you'll be taken to the page where you have to enter or mention the amount, and next thing you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount, and after that you need to go ahead and select the payment source, all of that. When you're done completely with the steps, then you can go ahead and proceed to the payment section. Once you've done that, you'll be able to receive that you successfully sold Baby Dogecoin on your Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.